Huawei Mate Xs2 and Huawei Watch D available on the market on July 8, 2022.
Hey, are you tired of your folding phones being small when they're not folded? Or are you tired of your folding phones not looking like notebooks?
It's just not the same!
Are you tired of folding phones snapping when you try to overfold them? That's my third one! Well, calm your nerves, boy, and let me introduce you, Huawei Mate Xs2. 3, 2, 1... The Huawei Mate Xs2 has an OLED screen that is 7.8 inches when it is not folded. If it is folded, however, the OLED screen will only be 6.5 inches. The resolution of the cell phone is 2480 by 2200 pixels. That is unfolded. Folded is 2480 by 1176. Not only that, the phone also has 512 gigabytes of RAM. Hey, I need more space, I can hear some of you say. Well, don't worry, Huawei has got you covered. With external support, the phone can have an additional 256 gigabytes. With high resolution, a giant storage, what more could you possibly want? Well, I know, a good camera. And that is what Huawei Xs2 plans to give you. Taking pictures with this phone is actually really easy. If you feel like you need a bigger space for your hands and thumbs, well, you just need to unfold it. The phone has a 4600 mAh. It can probably last the entire day without needing to charge. But if you do need to charge, you won't have to worry about long charging times since you have the Huawei Supercharge with 66 watts. Another wonderful thing about this smartphone is its high durability. Accidentally dropped it? It's fine. Accidentally sat on it the wrong way? It's fine. Folding it like it's doing yoga? It's fine. This high durability will make sure you can keep this phone as long as you need it to. With all these features, the Huawei Mate Xs2 seems to be a very good phone. However, it does have one downside. The phone does not support 5G. You know what can make this better? A second review! Okay, next up, the Huawei Watch D. Whether you want to be the cool kid in the playground, or you want to have a healthy lifestyle, young or old, this watch is for you. Need to check your blood pressure on the go? Well, the Huawei Watch D can do that for you. You need to check your heart rate cause you feel something's off? Well, the Huawei Watch D can make sure you know something's off. Stressed or tired but you're not really sure if you're really stressed or tired? Well, the Huawei Watch D can also clear that up for you. The Huawei Watch D can also make you monitor your oxygen levels to make sure that you're in tippity top shape. Bad sleeping schedules? This watch will make sure you sleep on time. And you must be wondering, what can make this better? Well, I know, a long battery life, up to 7 days. Do you think that your wrists are gonna break if you keep wearing this all day? Well, don't worry, Huawei also got you covered there. This watch was designed to be worn every day. That's why Huawei has made special and thorough procedures to make sure that you get a comfortable wrist when wearing this. So here's my final verdict. For the Huawei Mate Xs2, I believe that the phone is a really top of the line phone. With a powerful camera and a high resolution for the screens, it seems that the only downside to it is just the 5G support, or the lack of it. So I think it comes down to your choice. Is it okay to not have 5G, or do you really want that 5G? Now for my second verdict, the Huawei Watch D. This watch was made for everybody, I believe, because it can help you maintain a healthy body. Whether you're starting off or you've been in the long run, this watch will make sure you're in tip-top shape. For any Cebuanos interested in the phone or watch, head down to smcitycebu and look for Roldan Lauro, the Huawei brand ambassador. This has been Scott, and you've just watched A7 Cebu gadgets, cell phones, tablets, and everything gadgets in Cebu City malls right now. And please, don't forget to subscribe and comment down below on what product we should review next.